Hi, second graders. Today we're going to play with pattern blocks. Miss Michaela and I are going to put some pattern blocks that are like stickers in your packet so you can do this math just like we would do it at school with real pattern blocks. Do you remember when we stack pattern blocks on top of the yellow hexagons? If we take two of the red ones, it covers one hexagon, so we say 1/2 plus 1/2 equals a whole. And we know that it takes 3 parallelograms to make a whole. And we know it takes 6 triangles to make a whole. You know all about that. We've done it lots of times. Well, today we're going to learn about mixed numbers, mixed fractions, where we add up the wholes and the fractions to find out what the mixed number is. You're going to do this worksheet at home. I've done it for you, but then you can do it at home again just for the fun to make sure you understand it. In number 1 here, you see I have one whole hexagon plus I have a trapezoid, which is only covering half. That would only cover half of a hexagon if you put the red block on top of the yellow block. So above the yellow hexagon, I wrote a 1, and above the trapezoid, I wrote 1/2. If I add that together, I get 1 and a 1/2. 1 and 1/2 is called a mixed number. It's mixed because it has a whole number plus it has a fraction. Let's do number 2. Number 2 has 2 whole hexagons, plus it has 1 triangle. Now you know it takes 6 triangles to cover a hexagon, so we put 1/6 by the triangle because this is just one of the 6 triangles that it would take to cover the whole hexagon. So I have 2 plus I have 1/6. And when I put that together, my mixed number is 2 and 1/6. Now I'm going down to line 3. I have one whole hexagon and I have 2 parallelograms. Now you know it takes 2 parallelograms to cover a hexagon, so I put 2 over 3 or 2/3. If I put that together, my mixed number is 1 and 2/3. Now when we go down to number 4, it says trace pattern blocks to show these mixed numbers. Well, I'm going to just stick the stickers on. So it says to use 1 whole and 1/3. So what do you think I used? 1 whole hexagon and 1 parallelogram, because it takes 3 parallelograms to cover the whole hexagon, and I used 1 of them. So that's 1 and 1/3, and that's exactly what they were asking for. Now remember how I told you to make sure you read the whole problem? At the bottom of the paper it says, show 2 and 3/6 on the back of this paper. So on the back, I did 2 whole hexagons and 3 triangles because it takes 6 triangles to cover the whole hexagon, and I'm only going to use 3 of them to make 3/6. So that equals 2 and 3/6. I hope you understand, and I hope you have fun sticking the pattern blocks on your paper. Bye.